Hey guys, today we have a Winchester XSP unboxing. This is not the first time I've opened up this gun, but I put it all back how it was pretty much. So let's see it. I got this for about $220 on sale. I think it retails for about $300. You get your usual user manual, get a gun lock, then you get the barrel and the actual shotgun. You gotta put it together, obviously. Putting it together is fairly simple. Take this out. At the end of the mag tube, there is this little cap. I already had it off, but you got to take that off. Then you take your barrel, you situate it just like that. Then you screw this on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now she's all put together. Now I've shot this gun already. She's a nice sized gun. She's actually on the shorter side. It's clear. She's on the shorter side, but she feels nice. The pump action is really nice. It works nice. There's a safety right here, the trigger guard. Nice, easy safety. And it feels great. I mean, for a $220 shotgun, I mean, you really can't ask for much more, I don't think. So far, it runs great. Action is great. You know, obviously you have to be assertive. It's a pump shotgun. It's gonna be that way. It feels really sleek. This is the Super X pump. There's also a Super X pump Extreme Defense or some type of more defense orientated one. It just has a pistol grip and, you know, it's just a little more special than this one. But for the price, this thing has to be the best shotgun for home defense if you are looking on a budget. It's 5+1, 12 gauge. And yeah, what do you guys think? Is she pretty or no?